Yeah, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, right till they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, guys. I know it's my fault. I got like 2 vlogs that I edited, all that good stuff. I just ain't put it up. Don't ask me why, but I'm back. Thank y'all for running them views up, for y'all watching, sharing, following me, all that good stuff. Continue to do that. Make sure you share. Make sure you really, really share this video, because this video is serious business. We finna talk business, small business. So if you watched my first ever video when I was doing the whole getting to know me, you will know that I run my own small business. I have a lip care line, and I used to have a wig collection or whatever. But right now I'm just focused on my lip care line. I started my business last July. Yes, last July I started my business, and then probably I want to say February of this year I shut my website down, and I began my whole revamping process just to bring new stuff in, redo a whole bunch. I basically redid everything, like all new everything. That's my word for this year. It's new, just new things. Everything is new this year. So I did everything new with this business. I got a new logo, got new business cards, marketing strategies, new products, new website, just new. Everything is new. That's all that matters. Um, but I'm excited. My relaunch is this Saturday on the 22nd. So mark that on y'all calendars. Even though today is Thursday, but Saturday, I'm coming back bigger, stronger, better than ever. Um, I don't want to say like my last, well, when I first started, it was rushed, but in my mind, like knowing what I know now, because I took time off just to get more knowledge, more connects and all that good stuff. But when I first started, I really don't want to say it was rushed, but it could have been better. It really could have been better, but it exceeded my expectations for real when I first did this. So yeah, so this time it's just better in my mind. It's better because I took my time with doing stuff. Got done. I got done what I wanted to get done. When I see lip glosses in the stores like Ulta, Sephora, Victoria's Secret, like wherever you see, lip glosses at, they always come in like they always had their own little packaging. When I first did my stuff, I didn't have like no packaging. Like I'm just gonna show y'all, like y'all know, like the little boxes, lip gloss and like makeup products come in. I didn't have that before. I just had the tubes and that was there. I'm gonna show y'all a picture of my stuff when I first launched it. So that's what it looked like. Just simple, just real. Okay. Yeah, just real simple, just tubes. That's just how they came. All that. It was, to me it was kind of small. This time I had bigger tubes, so you get more product. Um, and to me, like now that I look at it, now that I look at the old pictures, and then I got my new stuff right here, I just feel like my old stuff was kind of kiddish. Now, don't get me wrong, I mess with the kids. Like my products are for the kids. My little sister wear my stuff all the time. She's a kid. She wear my stuff all the time. But I didn't want it to look so kiddish. You know what I'm saying? Like I wanted my stuff to look like it belonged in the stores. It belonged in Ulta. It belonged in Sephora. It belonged in Bath and Body. It belonged there. So that's why I wanted to do the whole box thing and just better looking tubes. You know what I'm saying? What else? I don't know what else. But yeah, how I started my business though, I was sitting in the parking lot of the grocery store, and I think I probably was scrolling through Instagram and stuff, and I was just like, I need to sell something. Some in my mind, the Holy Spirit came to me and was just like, you need to sell something, and I'm like, I don't know what I should sell. Like, I didn't want to do the clothes thing because I just feel like that was gonna be too much. I don't wear makeup, so I couldn't do that. I don't really wear eyelashes, so I can't really do that. So I'm like, girl, what do you wear all the time? Lip gloss. I wear lip gloss all the time, and I was just scrolling, and I seen somebody with some lip gloss, and I'm like, okay, that's what I'm finna sell. I'm finna sell lip gloss. So I text my friends like, y'all, should I sell lip gloss? They like, yes, girl, go ahead. I asked my mama, she like, yeah, why not? And so, I came home right after that and just started doing, little research. I bought me like 2 vendor lists. I started watching YouTube videos, and then I just came up with everything that I wanted to do, and I made it happen. Like, I really did make it happen. So that was really fun for me. That was like a really, really exciting time in my life when I launched my business and was, handling business, drop off, shipping, just making the lip gloss. Like, that was just so fun to me. It was just like a happy place for me. So I knew I had to keep going. I know I had to keep doing it, and I'm going to keep doing it. So that's why I took my time this time and just really, like I said, really did my research, got more knowledge. Like, the stuff I'm using now is what Rihanna be using in Fenty. What they be using in Sephora. Like, that's what's in my lip gloss now. So now I have new ingredients using different stuff, So it's amazing. I don't care. My stuff need to be up there with them, and it will be up there with them, period. So yeah, I just been connecting with different people too, learning different marketing strategies, and this relaunch, I just feel like it's gonna be big. I'm praying that it is. It's gonna be big. I don't care. It's gonna be big. A lot of people gonna see me. I'm finna work with somebody. Finna work with motherfucking Jada Waiter, somebody. But I'm gonna be working with somebody. I'm manifesting it. I'm claiming it. So that's what's gonna happen. So I'm just gonna talk about my products that I got this time. And these, I'm gonna show y'all my business cards. It's so cute. So cute. I love these business cards so much. Like, they came out perfect. And at first we was just lip gloss. Now this is luxury lip care. This is a luxury lip care line. Like, no more just lip gloss, because I got the juice, okay? So my first product I'm going to talk about is my turmeric lip scrub. So I came out with this lip scrub during my last collection, but I brought it back this time because it was really, really popular, and I really, really liked it. So, and plus I added some different ingredients into it, so it's way, way, way better. I use this lip scrub twice a week. Yeah, I suggest you use it twice a week, 3 times at the most, but you should really only use it twice a week. So it just helps exfoliate your lips, get rid of that dead skin, add a glow to your lips. It has turmeric in it, so it helps with like dark lips, or if you got like discoloration on your lips. I thought I put my stuff on Do Not Disturb. So it helps with discoloration and stuff. So it's really good if you got, like I said, dark lips or discoloration. And for people who smoke, fellas, you can definitely use this. I would suggest y'all use it because I know y'all be smoking that Tuka pack. Use this. Keep your lips looking good for you, girl. But I love this. Use this. I grab like a little spoolie. Everybody who order this gonna get like 2 little spoolies. Little goes a long way. Scrub it on your lips for about a minute and a half. Take some water, wipe it off your lips, get you a napkin, and put your lip gloss on, put your whatever you got, cocoa butter, shea butter, whatever, and you good to go. Truth right here. Make sure y'all cop this. Next, I'm gonna talk about these bonnets. Okay, we got some bonnets, y'all. This right here, this was our old logo. but I love them so much because of this orange color. Yes, all of them is reversible, so both sides silky satin, so you can wear it on whatever side you want, however you feeling. But stretchy, stay on all night long. I love that. Here's another color. This one is my favorite. I just love this color. It's so pretty. This is our baby pink color. So I love this one. This is so cute. They stay on all night, y'all. I done had my share of bonnets that been on the floor when I wake up, but these stay on all night. And then here are our other color, Barbie pink. This is so cute too. I love this. And now we offer baby bonnets. These is so cute, y'all. I can't wait for my goddaughter to put this on. I'm taking pictures of her because she's gonna be so cute in this. So you can get you mommy, daughter. It's gonna be so cute. And whoever get these, make sure y'all take pictures and tag me because I need more pictures of people with bonnets on. These are so cute. And we also have our edge wraps. Unfortunately, our edge wraps only come in our old logo, but it still go good with the pink. So put this on to protect your edges, your baby hair, your frontal, whatever you got. And yes, this does stay on all night because I done had scarves too that been on the floor right next to the bonnet and it came off. So I love these. These are really good for your hair. Protect your hair all night long. Make sure y'all cop y'all some bonnets for sure. Make sure y'all cop the orange ones too because they probably won't return, but the pink ones, we love them so much. I know them gonna sell out. Okay, now we have some headbands. These are our designer headbands. They come in these 4 colors. This one just have a different pattern. Just got a whole bunch of like the Dior D's on it, but I didn't bring that one out. I just bought this one out. But yeah, these are the colors that we got. I had these last collection too when I sold out, and people actually liked them because people was looking for them again. So I just bought them back for the last time. So make sure y'all get these. Again, this one my favorite because they literally go with almost everything I have. So it's really soft. It's like it's velvet actually. So it's really soft, really cute, really stylish. Make sure y'all cop these too. And them the only accessories I got right now. I'm definitely gonna come out with some more. I really want to do like charm bracelets and bangles and stuff because I really love them, and anklets too. I'm gonna see what I could do. Pop out with them. So this for the lip stuff. So this is our lip liners, our natural lip liners. I really got on the lip liner thing. I probably want to say around my birthday, September. I love lip liners, y'all. Like, especially a good brown lip liner. So cute. It's just, I don't know, I just like the look of it when I have on my lip gloss. I will wear like a clear or like a nude with this, and it'll just be so cute. I know a lot of girls be loving how when she be doing her lip gloss with her lip liner, how that be looking. This what this is like. It's so cute. It's a dark brown, dark chocolate brown. And me, honestly, you know, the other lip liners when it be twisted, I don't like those because I feel like you don't get enough color out of it. But with the actual pencils, you get like a little bit of a long way because it's going to be really dark, and you're going to get all the color coming out. And plus, when you be going like this, the thing be going down, and I don't be liking that. So everybody who order one of these always get get a pencil sharpener so you can sharpen it whenever it be going down. So I love these. Y'all gotta cop these because I'm in love with them. I'm in love with these lip liners. So Now for our lip gloss. So this is what our packaging looks like now. I showed y'all before. It's so cute, and it have the ingredients on the back. I'm in love with these because y'all, I'm not really like an artsy creative person, so when it comes to like graphics and stuff, I'm not good at explaining what I want. So I just tell people, do what you think is best, honestly, because I'm not artsy. But those came out perfectly. I just wanted something simple, something sleek, something that can be rememberable, and I feel like these really can be rememberable. People gonna be like, girl, that's cute, where you get that from? Dreamy collection, period. But anyways, so this is our clear gloss. Can't go wrong with a simple clear. So cute. Everything just glides on so good, y'all. It smells so good. This is called, y'all, I be trying to learn my names. I be coming up with the names. I be trying so hard to remember them, but I be stuck on, I'm gonna tell y'all what this is called. That's bad. I should be remembering. This is called Rich Girl. So, can't go wrong with your simple clear gloss. Long lasting. Gives you a lot of moisture. Amazing. Our next one is our Dior gloss. This is so cute. I think people gonna love this one. So it's just your simple like baby pink gloss. You can even put the lip liner on with this and it'll be cute. Show y'all this. Look at that. Popper. Oh, that's so cute. That's gonna be cute on y'all. I can't wait for y'all to try this. This one smells like bubble gum. Oh, that smells good. I love that. I got my napkin here so I can wipe this off. Okay, so this one was Dior Rich Girl. Remember that. Next one, I think it's two glosses that I think people gonna be sleep on, and this one of them. So this one is our skin gloss. And y'all, do not be afraid to use this. I feel like, you know, my dark skinned ladies, I love y'all. Don't be afraid to use this because it's going to be popping. Like, I promise, it's going to be popping on you. I love this. It's so smooth. It smells just like caramel. Look at it. Look at that. Oh, that's cute. You can use this with the lip liner too if you want to do that too. All of these honestly can be used with our lip liners, but this one, like I said, do not sleep on this, y'all. Y'all gonna love this one. I promise. I promise. Our next one, this is so cute. This remind me of Jelly. I should have named this Jelly, but I didn't. But this one is called Miami. Carisha, please. But this one is so cute. Like I said, it reminds me of Jelly for real. I was reading something on my bed. Look at this one. Give you like that pink tint. It's so cute. I can't wait for people to put this on, y'all. Do not be scared. Do not be scared to use this, y'all. This is so cute. It's so cute, y'all. I can't wait to wear that. Okay. This the other one I said people was gonna be sleep on just by how it look in here. But this one, this is really like my top 3. This is so cute. This one is called Halo. You can see like the gold, like the rose gold effect. I love rose gold. Y'all, this one is so cute. I will wear this like by itself or like on top of one of the other glosses just to give it like a good like rose gold glow. Watch this. This is so cute, y'all. I don't care. Look at that. I wish you could kind of really see the gold in it, but it's so cute. Like, do not sleep on this one, y'all, I promise. But yeah, I will wear this one on top of this one. Hold on, this might be a combo. I'm gonna try this weekend, y'all, and I'm gonna take pictures. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna make like a story or something. This might be a combo right here. Y'all go cop this combo and tell me what y'all think when we out here. Okay, hold on. I might have did something with that, y'all. I'm gonna try it. Ooh. This one are chocolate gloss. This one is called Kyra. So I love me a good chocolate gloss. Look at that. Ooh. It's so cute. It just glide on so smooth, y'all. I can't wait for people to have this, I promise. Oh, look at that. That's so cute. I love me a good dark chocolate glow. I know my friend gonna love this one because she say dark colors make her feel like Lori Harvey. I know she gonna love this one. And that one was called Kyra. I don't remember if I said it or not. And our last one, y'all, this my baby. This one gonna sell. This the one that's gonna make me that meal right there. This is my favorite. This is it, girl, right here. Like, this is it. Like, this the one, y'all. This combo, this what I've been wearing lately. This the one with a clear gloss on top of it. This combo, that's the one that's gonna get you the daddies, y'all. So, I love this gloss. This gloss on, I promise, on any skin tone, it's gonna be it. For real. Oh, this is so, everything just glides so smooth, y'all. Oh, look at that. That's so beautiful. This is the most beautifulest color I ever saw. I love this, y'all. Highly recommend this one. Get this one. Get 2, get 3, get 4 of them. Get them. I promise. I promise you will not be disappointed, y'all. It smells so good. That smells like chocolate. Or something smell like chocolate. Probably this one smell like chocolate. Oh. So, from all my glosses, y'all, so excited about my relaunch Saturday. Make sure y'all on that website on Saturday at 2:22 to get all these beautiful glosses. Y'all have to cop all of them. So we definitely coming out with more colors as time go by. Y'all can comment, give me y'all opinions, give me options of different colors I should put out too, like what y'all would want to see, other accessories y'all want to see. Like, definitely let me know. I'm always down for suggestions, for real. I'm so excited. And also I found a few glosses, like literally a few glosses and some lip oil that I had my last collection. So them gonna be on sale. They only like $1. So that's gonna be in the sales tab on my website, so y'all can cop them because them ain't coming back. It's literally like only a few. So yeah, them still on there. And then we have all this beautiful new stuff. I'm so excited. I'm so humble and grateful, and I cannot wait. So make sure y'all share this video, share it with everybody so they can see. Make sure you go to my business page on Instagram at Dreamy Collection, and my regular Instagram, The Real Vanessa, to just to see all the pictures and all the good stuff, and make sure y'all share that with people too. And I say make sure y'all be the first 15 orders. First 15 orders get a free gift. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I just came up with it in my head. First 15 orders get a free gift in a package for sure. I can't wait. If you're in the Milwaukee area, I do drop-offs, or you can always get it sent to your house. That's nothing. So we do ship next day. Your stuff gonna come expeditiously, and I can't wait. And I promise y'all I'm gonna start making more videos. I'm gonna try to make more business videos like this too, just talking about business stuff and have other people who own businesses bop out on here. That's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna see y'all next time, and make sure y'all share and get ready for that relaunch this Saturday, y'all.